it's Les. Now, how to hide your Substack subscriber account when you're just starting. This is something you may want to do. So the first thing you have to do is log into your Substack account. And I'm sitting here on my website at the moment, but where you need to be is you need to be on your dashboard. So if I hit dashboard, it'll take me over to my Substack dashboard. Now, it's important to make sure you're on your dashboard and you're not on anything to do with your personal profile, which is over here. There's two separate things. So I'm on my dashboard here. You can clearly see I'm on my dashboard. If I scroll down on the left-hand side and I go to settings, which in my setup is at the bottom here. So this is the settings on your dashboard. If I click on there, it takes me through and there's all these whole host of settings here. And the one I'm looking for is privacy here. So I click on privacy. Okay. And then there's a couple of things I can change on privacy. And the one I want to toggle off at the moment, you can see mine is toggled on here, where it says show approximate subscriber count. Displays your rough subscriber count in places like your profile and welcome page. This can help free subscriber conversion. But maybe at the start, you have so few subscribers, you don't want to show that. So all you simply do is you toggle this off down here and your subscribers won't show up.